The two-nature Christology ensures that Christ's humanity is real, complete, and operative in our salvation, while preserving the full divinity of the Logos. Miaphysitism's denial of two natures also leads to confusion about the will of Christ. Orthodox theology affirms that Christ has two wills, corresponding to his two natures. The divine will belongs to his divine nature, and the human will belongs to his human nature. These two wills are harmonized in his one divine person. This is why the Sixth Ecumenical Council condemned monothelitism, or the belief in one will, as a heresy.